It is December 20th at 1:46 p.m. and we enter the Cretaceous. It is a common misconception that many of the dinosaurs we are fond of were present during the Jurassic, but the truth is that it wasn't until the Cretaceous that they show up. From our 5 archosaur groups that we are following, and again highlighting only well-known representatives, we see the first occurrence of Mosasaurus from the marine reptiles. Crocodiles and pterosaurs would continue to evolve. From the ornithischians, we see the first occurrence of Triceratops, Ankylosaurus, and Iguanodon. And from the saurischians, avians would continue to evolve, and we see the first occurrence of T-Rex and Velociraptor. During the Cretaceous, pollinating insects such as bees and flowering plants appear at roughly the same time in the fossil record. What organism do most flowers need to repopulate? Yes, pollinating insects. What do pollinating insects need to survive? You guessed it, pollen. This is an example of coevolution, the change in one species due to the change in another. In just 15 million years, angiosperms, also known as flowering plants, would spread globally and become the most common and diverse plants on the planet. Also during the Cretaceous, 3 groups of mammals would emerge: monotremes, marsupials, and placentals. Monotremes are egg-laying predatory mammals such as the platypus. Marsupials are animals that give birth to very immature young who receive maternal provision, that is food and nutrients, from their mother via lactation. Most are carried in a pouch. Examples of marsupials are opossums, kangaroos, koalas, and wombats. Placental mammals invest more time in their pregnancy, where the fetus gets nutrients from an organ that develops during the pregnancy rather than a yolk sac or a prolonged lactation period after birth. Are there any placental mammals listening? We all are. From these placental mammals, one branch carries the primates, which evolved very late during the Cretaceous. A primate is an omnivorous mammal distinguished by the use of hands, varied locomotion, and complex behavior involving a high level of social interaction and cultural adaptability. Are there any primates listening? Yes, we all are. At the end of the Cretaceous, there was an extinction event, referred to as the KT extinction. It is believed that a meteorite impact caused the KT extinction and led to the demise of the dinosaurs. The meteorite impact probably produced global forest fires, a period of cold weather due to sunlight blocking dust and smoke, followed by a period of extremely hot climatic conditions caused by high levels of CO2. The Cretaceous extinction event wiped out the large marine reptiles, pterosaurs, and ornithischians. With the exception of the avians, the saurischians go extinct as well. The surviving avians would continue to evolve into the birds we are familiar with today. Freshwater sharks also go extinct during this event. Amphibians, crocodiles, and turtles were barely affected. Only one of the 11 marsupial species survived, and all placental species survived. It is important to note all mammals up to this point were about the size of a rat. There were very few that reached the size of a fox.